Hello, today we are going to do one think pair share activity. In that each pair will discuss different imaging modalities used in tumor imaging and treatments. They are going to discuss what it is, how it used and how it works and which application it's suited and their advantage and disadvantage. So one by one CT, MRI and PET different modalities of imaging techniques are explained by the students, and finally which one is best they are concluded.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm going to speak about CT scan using tumor imaging. Good afternoon. What is CT scan? CT scan is a computer. CT scan is a computer tomography which uses X-rays. It captures multiple images from different angles to combine together to form a 3D cross-section image. How it works? The patient lies on a machine and the X-ray beam rotates around the patient and the computer processes the image into a cross-section image. Where it is used? It is used in the tumor detections in lungs, abdomen and lungs. Why it is so popular? It is popular because it is faster, easily available and it provides a clear image of tumor and where it is placed. What is it? The advantages are it is useful in emergency situation and it provides the accurate location of the tumor. What are the disadvantages? The disadvantages are it uses radiation and it is not good for soft tissues when compared to MRI. How does it help in patient? It helps doctors to plan surgery because it shows where the tumor is placed. Good useful information. Yes, thank you.
Okay, next one.
Today we are going to explain about MRI imaging.
MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. It is a type of medical imaging technique used in high strong magnetic field and the radio waves to create a clear image of the human body.
Can you explain how MRI works?
Yes, MRI first patient placed in the patient table and this enter into the strong magnetic field. The radio waves are set to the patient and the tissues are give signals back. The tissues give signals back and the machine collects the signals from the tissues and it creates a clear image of the organ.
Where is mainly used in MRI imaging?
MRI used in brain tumors and spinal cord tumors and tumors in soft tissues. And
Why so popular in hospitals?
MRI is popular in hospitals because it gives a clear image of the soft tissues and is mainly important. It did not expose to any harmful radiations.
What are the advantages of
No exposure of radiation. It gives a clear image of the soft tissues and used for early detection of brain tumor.
some disadvantages?
Yes, MRI have some disadvantages like it is more expensive compared to the other imaging technique and it takes more time for scanning and it is not suitable for the patients who with metal implants.
Okay. Next one.
Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about PET usage in tumor diagnosis. So, can you tell me what's the core principle of PET? Positron emission tomography, commonly known as PET, is an imaging modality used to detect the metabolic activity rather than the anatomy of the human body. Radioactive laser, which is FDG, known as fluorodeoxyglucose, is injected into the human body. A tumor cell exhibits more glucose metabolism, which makes it uptake more FDG. When a